I got me some presents. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a typical winter day here in the beautiful province of British Columbia. So I just got myself some packages and... Are you a guard dog? No, you don't give a shit, do you? So I just got myself some packages. I finally went and bought a Jeda wireless charger and a charging hub. Now I saw these on, well, a number of YouTube videos. So let's do a quick unboxing and then install and see how it goes. Let's unbox first the wireless charger, and I must say that these are really well packaged. It's a beautiful, beautiful box. It did come with a saran sort of heat shrink plastic on it, which was a real bastard to get off. And I didn't want to do it on camera, so I did it prior to recording. But I tell you, this is an absolutely beautiful box. If they were to reduce the price by, say, $10 and just deliver it to me in a paper bag, I would have been fine with that. Well, let's see what we got. Let's lift up the lid. And first we have the wireless charge pad. Now this is to take place of the center part of your dash, not the dash, but you know what I mean, the center console where you put your phones, where you would normally be charging or running the charging cables through. This is the actual pad itself. It has a primary one and a secondary one. The primary one is for the left side, and if you plugged in for here, it would take care of this side, which would allow you to put your phone not only here, but also horizontal like this, which would give you charging. I don't know why you'd ever put your phone that way, but anyway. But yeah, left side, right side, one plug, two plugs. And it comes with two of these charging cables. So they will affix to the back and run through the trap door to the USB below. Now, when we're talking about USB below, let's move on to the hub. Right there. So, again, this is really well packaged. Once again, reduce it by $10 and send it to me in a paper bag and I would be just as happy. But this is real quality packaging. Let's open this up. Alright, so this fits in underneath, and let's get it out. Okay, so these are the two USBs that would fit into the slots that are below your center console trapdoor. And here, there's something inside of it. They say if you press down on one of the corners here, a top secret compartment opens up, and right there it comes with a what is that, a USB-A to a USB-C maybe? And that's probably for the external hard drive shtick thing you can get in here, but I don't. I have a little USB and where it fits is up in there, so I'll put the stick this way. And what this does, it allows you to have two USB chargers and two USB-C chargers, so that should fit in there like it does, yes. And I think that's good. And this right here, I would imagine, oh, it's a piece of 3M magnetic tape. This is a magnet back here. And what you would do is that you would put this onto the back of your external hard drive and peel it to that, so when it sat in there, it would stay and it wouldn't move around. And this, of course, would go like that. So bent in and plugged in. And the great thing about this is that when installed, they say you can't tell that it's a sort of secret compartment. Well, until everyone watches every single video that's out there about the Jedas, and they'll know that if they break into your car, they are to press right here or here and steal your USBs, and you will have no history of the crime itself. But it is what it is. But for the average criminal, they're not going to spend time watching YouTube on how to steal a USB unless they're very crafty. All right, well, let's go and give these an install. All right, so first what we're going to do is we are going to install the hub. It has the two USBs here, which are going to fit, if I bring this up, right down to the two USBs in there. So what they say first is that you need to take off the secret compartment. I'm going to move that. And what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to put my USB dash cam in first. There it goes. So it should and it will look like that. And they say, oh, she's a bit of a hoarder here, you place it in until it stops and then push it into place. So let's give this a try. That's how simple it was. And of course we can now put in the top secret compartment. There you go, and that is it. That's all it is. And if you took a look in here, especially with the amount of crap that she keeps in there, if a bad guy was to look in there for a USB, he would have to wade through all the, you know, gum, toothbrush, eye solution, all that kind of junk that she keeps in there, and by then he's probably got bored and left. So that has been done. Now it's the wireless pad. So the first thing you want to do is you take off, you slide to the left, and that is your bracket. What I didn't mention when I did the unboxing is that I also purchased an extender. So what this does is this fits onto that, which now fits onto that. So it should be a little bit of that, and then this would go in there. But I'm not going to do it yet because I want to be able to figure out what I'm doing. So I'm going to take off the rubber pad that does absolutely nothing, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide in the Jeda. So I've already plugged in to the left side, so I'm going to use this side, and I don't think I'm going to do the horizontal or the right side yet. But you feed it through at the back there. And you're going to move it so it's up in there. Get in there, you bastard. All right. And then what we're going to do is we're going to plug it into one of the two USBs on the hub. How come this isn't fitting nice? This isn't fitting nicely. Let's see what I got to do. I think I have to pull the wire through a little better. And then those little nubs should fit through the hole there. There you go. But I am going to pull it through a little better. So then there's that. And then last but not least, I don't know if I'm happy with that. Is it in all the way? That's what she said. Let's see, is it? I guess it is. It is all the way down. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on the extension bracket. And there you go. This should now... Whoop! It is 95% charging. So that's all it is. I am going to fiddle around with this a little better because I don't think it's in all the way. And of course I didn't read the instructions because I'm a boy. So there you go. That is it. So what you got to do is you go to GetJeda.com. They actually currently have a deal. So for the wireless charger itself, it's $99 US. And for the hub, down there, see, I don't know if I like that. I got to work on that. The hub down there is $79. The spacer is $15. If you click all those and you add it to your cart, it's going to be $193. And that is a lot of dollars. It's 193 of them. However, it is for security, your extra hubs at the bottom. It's a safe place for your dash cam USB or your exterior hard drive, and the wireless pad. Like this is, that's big money there. However, if you just buy the hub itself, they're going to give you $10 off. If you buy the pad, they'll give you $20 off. And if you buy the whole deal, so it's the charging pad, the extender Farfanugan, and the hub, they'll give you $45 US off, which would mean this whole setup that I have here is only, I'm not going to say only, but it's $148 US, which really isn't that bad for, the wireless charging and the hub and the security and all that kind of stuff. They do have on the website, they do have codes that you have to enter, but it's right there in black and white. If you're going to buy the whole package, enter, I think it's Jeda Bundle or Jeda Pad or Jeda whatever. And yeah, so $45 off. So that means the whole thing, $148 plus tax and shipping. I still think it's a good deal. The good thing is that it fits in the Model 3. The wireless pad actually fits any Tesla, even my vintage, classic, ancient 2015 85D, because I just lay it down in the sort of the alleyway there, and just plug it into one of my USBs, and I could just throw my phone on, and it would charge. But so the good thing is that it fits in the Model 3, and it also fits in the Model S, but not all sneaky like that. I just did an update on my phone, so I now have a iPhone that allows for wireless charging. I had a 7 Plus, which didn't. So now with my new phone, I do get wireless. So that's another plus. That's 2 pluses. The 3 pluses is when I use the woman I live with's car, I can charge my phone, which is 3rd. And the 4th thing is that I think that this setup will fit the Model Y, and then I'll take it from this car to the Model Y, and then she can use the old-fashioned things to charge her phone. Anyway, there you go. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Well, you don't have to subscribe. Yeah, go ahead and subscribe. Like it so YouTube knows that, hey, that's a okay video. And if you take a look at the quality of the screen, Andy from Unplugged EV Australia, this is how it should look. All right, take care, guys. Talk to you soon.